Hey moms! Here are some essential baby skin care tips to keep your little one's skin healthy and smooth. Number 1. Keep your baby out of the sun. Limit your baby's sun exposure, especially between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Use hats and lightweight clothing to protect their skin. Number 2. Be mindful of dry skin. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer if your baby has dry skin. Natural oils like olive or coconut oil can be helpful, but consult your pediatrician first. Number 3. Follow best practices for bathing. Bathe your baby in lukewarm water, using a soft washcloth. Avoid using harsh soaps and limit baths to a few times a week. Number 4. Don't sweat cradle cap. Cradle cap is common and usually harmless. Gently wash your baby's scalp with a mild shampoo and use a soft brush to remove flakes. Number 5. Avoid contact dermatitis triggers. Be cautious with detergents, lotions, and fabrics that may irritate your baby's skin. Number 6. Watch for nail growth. Keep your baby's nails trimmed to prevent scratching and potential skin infections. Number 7. Help prevent heat rash. Keep your baby cool and dry, especially in hot weather. Allow their skin to breathe by using breathable fabrics. Number 8. Care for the umbilical cord. Keep the umbilical cord stump clean and dry until it falls off naturally. These tips can help maintain your baby's skin health and prevent common skin issues. If you have any concerns or notice any unusual symptoms, it's always best to consult your pediatrician. Do you have any specific concerns about your baby's skin care? Write us in comments and do not forget to like and subscribe for valuable contents. Visit www.bobbinbeauty.com for baby products. Thanks for watching.